Hi, I'm Peter, Spirit Finders Scotland award-winning paranormal team tech. There is two techs, myself, Ian, and John, our sound engineer. I would like to introduce you to some of the equipment that I carry to an investigation. Ian carries very similar equipment. John carries all the sound equipment. David carries some equipment himself, the founder member. Some of the team themselves carry camcorders or normal cameras that take still photographs. But the equipment I will show you that I carry, I will name some of the parts and tell you what they do. As you can see, I carry a few cases to investigations. This case here, as you see at the top, says EMF, temperature and beams plus IR. Inside the case we have 1, 2, 3, 4 EMF meters. These meters let us know if there's any activity during the investigation. This meter here is a temperature meter. We use this before and during the investigation. This here is two small lights we use on either side of the Ouija board when it's dark. This here is a meter that picks up 240 volts behind walls. We can tell if there's running power behind a wall. This here is a compass that helps us during dowsing to let us know which direction the ley lines flow. This here is a small head torch. It can be used in white or red light. This here is a trigger object I made. I'll not go into it at the moment. This here is a small hand torch. These are two paired IR beams, infrared. We use these when they're told there's activity in corridors or activity at door entrances. This here is a magnometer. This tells us if there's magnetic fields in the area. That there is case 1. Case 2 is camcorder, EVP and batteries. This here is a stills camera we use for when we're looking for orbs, etc. This here is a 5-meter night light for the camcorder. This space here is the camcorder I've got in my hand. These is numerous batteries, types of batteries we use for equipment. All paranormal teams will let you know that during investigations you need plenty of batteries. This is two small voice recorders, Panasonic. These here are two heavy duty batteries, and below it is a Panasonic RR-DR60. We have also an RR-QR400. This here is for getting extra sound when using the camcorder. More camcorder batteries. This here is tapes for the camcorder. And at the back here is a set of dowsing rods. That is case 2. Case 3 is radios, VCR and tapes. We have 4 radios that we use during investigations. Members of the team get these when we split up if it's a big investigation to contact each other if there's anything that happened. This here is 2 VCR tapes along with another 3 VCR tapes. This here is a 4-in-1 meter that gives us sound level, temperature level, humidity level and light level. A 4-in-1. Case 4 is CCTV cameras. In here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 normal CCTV cameras. Up at the corner we have a small camera we use for hidden locations. These here are brackets that screws on the bottom of the cameras to hold them steady. This here is a 4-in-1 switcher. When using all cameras at one time, we connect them into this box and it splits the pictures on the screen for us up with all cameras. This case here says VCR. This is a time-lapse VCR. We use this for the cameras to record what we get through the cameras as evidence after the investigation. This case here says cables. Inside this case is various cables for the cameras, camcorders, VCR, monitor, etc. We also have extra equipment in this case as we need it. This here is a 9-inch monitor. We also have a 20-inch monitor. We use these in locations to watch the cameras. We have here a large torch and a 240 volt powered lamp. This is cable for running out the equipment, as well as the sockets. This here is an NEC projector. We can use this to look at the picture we've got in a large screen in case we miss anything out. This here is a small box that was made up. Some people who are doing investigations say the meters will pick things up behind a wall or inside a wall. We show them this box, run the meter across this box, and it picks nothing up. Therefore, we don't detect anything inside or outside a wall. This here is normal house trunking. This here is heavy cable. This here is the cable that takes the power into the house, the mains power from SSEB. This here is a 12 volt door locking system. This here is other parts of equipment that is inside your house. As you see, there is quite a lot of equipment that is carried by the team. This is what I carry. Ian carries a very similar equipment. John carries the sound equipment. John carries the sound equipment, and David also carries equipment. As you have seen there, you've seen some of the equipment I carry. Now you realise why we're an award-winning team. Good equipment gets good reports, and I hope you're satisfied with the equipment that has been explained to you, and think in future when we're doing investigations away, please come and join us. Thank you.